Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how you can order foreign currency from Chase Bank. So, there are two main methods you can use to order foreign currency. The simplest way is to pick up your phone and call Chase customer service. You can head over to the official website to contact customer support officials. They'll help you with your order and answer any questions you might have. If you prefer to handle things in person, you can also visit your local Chase Bank branch. It's important to note that not all foreign currencies are available for order. So before you visit the branch, it's a good idea to check with Chase customer service to see if they have the currency you need. They'll be able to confirm availability and give you any other details you might need. Now, you might be wondering if you can place an order for foreign currency online. Currently, Chase Bank doesn't offer online ordering for foreign currency. So your best options remain calling customer service or visiting a branch in person. As for the processing time, it generally takes about 1 to 3 business days to receive your foreign currency after placing an order. However, this can vary depending on the demand for the currency and the method you choose to order. If you're on a tight schedule, be sure to ask about the estimated fulfillment time when you place your order. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.